Alright, I wanted to make this video because it helped me a lot. I want to give a thanks shout out to Chris McWhorter for putting out a video of his 2014 Chevy Cruse diesel. No start, click like a dead battery. Unfortunate for him, he did try replacing the battery. He did replace the starter and the alternator, and that still didn't fix the problem. But kudos to his wife for noticing this right here was loose on their car, tightened it up, and he has no issues with it. I looked at mine hoping it was loose, but it was solid tight like this. So what I did was I got some dielectric grease, put it on that connect, unbolted that, and put a little bit of dab of grease on there. And it's been over a week now, no issues. Started right up, and luckily I had this that saved me a couple times. Sometimes this is not enough juice to start it when your battery's too low. I had to get a jump a couple times from another car, but that is good to have. But a little bit of grease on there, and it's been a week now. No issues, no starting issues. I've noticed my alternator's getting charged in the car. There's a little voltage thing there, and I've been getting 14 plus volts, keeping my battery charged, and that solved my problem. One of the problems I've had with this 2014 Chevy Cruse diesel. I got 160,000 miles. Hopefully I'll get a lot more. And thank again for Chris and his wife. Hope this video helps somebody, because his video helped me to look where I needed to look. Thanks.